Your brain isn't broken. It's just been trained for junk food. We call it brain rot. Not a medical term, but Gen Z nailed the vibe. Here are 10 habits feeding it, plus how each one quietly dulls your memory, creativity, and drive. 1. Ultra-processed food plus sugar spikes. The trap. Cereal, chips, soda, instant noodles. Brain food equals none. Brain damage. Sugar spikes result in inflammation resulting in hippocampus damage. That's your memory center. Ultra-processed food also starves gut bacteria, and 90% of serotonin is made in your gut. Bad gut equals bad mood plus brain fog. How to fix it? Add, don't remove. Add one real food per meal. Eggs, nuts, fruit, fish. Your brain runs on quality fuel. 2. Multitasking everything. The trap. Lecture at 2 times plus texting plus eating plus planning dinner. I'm efficient. Brain damage. Your brain doesn't multitask. It switches. Each switch burns glucose plus time. Heavy multitaskers score worse on memory tests. You're literally slower and dumber while doing 5 things. How to fix it? Single tab rule. One thing on screen. Phone face down. Focus is a magnifying glass, not 20 browser tabs. 3. Doom scrolling. Until 2 a.m., the trap. 5 more minutes results in 47 tabs of drama, news, random videos. Brain damage. Your attention span is a muscle. Scrolling trains it for 0.5 seconds bursts. After that, 30 minutes of focus feels impossible. Blue light plus stress also wrecks sleep, so memories don't get saved properly. How to fix it? Last scroll rule. 15-minute timer before bed, then phone outside bedroom. Boring, but your 8 a.m. brain works again. 4. Zero boredom tolerance. The trap. 10's in line? Open Instagram. Silence feels wrong. Brain damage. Boredom turns on your default mode network. That's where ideas connect and creativity fires. Kill boredom with a scroll, you cancel a brainstorm. No boredom equals no original thoughts. How to fix it? Boredom reps. 2 minutes no phone while water boils. Stare at wall. First 30 seconds equals panic. Then your brain starts thinking. That's the workout. 5. Microtasks instead of deep work. The trap. 8 hours working equals 200 tiny replies, checks, switches. Never one big thing. Brain damage. Deep focus wraps your brain circuits in myelin, making them faster. Microtasks build 0 myelin. Result: you get good at switching, terrible at thinking. Reading one page feels painful. How to fix it? 25/5 method. 25 minutes one task, phone in another room. 5 minutes break. 3 rounds equals real brain gains. 6. Sleep debt culture. The trap. 5 to 6 hours sleep, 3 coffees, bragging about 4 hours is enough. Brain damage. Sleep is when your brain takes out trash. No sleep equals metabolic waste piles up. After 17 hours awake equals the same impairment as mild alcohol. Memory, mood, decisions all crash. How to fix it? 7 hours minimum, non-negotiable. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Dark plus cold room. Sleep isn't lazy, it's maintenance. 7. Notification slave. The trap. Ding equals look. Red dot equals anxiety until cleared. Brain damage. Each notification costs 23 minutes to return to deep focus. Over time, your attention is owned by apps. You lose the ability to choose what you think about. Constant buzz equals low-level stress hormone. How to fix it? Turn off everything except calls plus 3 people. You check apps when you decide. 8. No new learning after school. The trap. I'm done learning. Now just work plus scroll. Brain damage. Use it or lose it is real. Learning grows new neurons. No new skills equals brain prunes unused circuits. That's why people say I can't learn languages at 30. Not age, no reps. How to fix it? 15 minutes daily. Duolingo, guitar, coding, drawing. Novelty equals brain fertilizer. 9. Chronic stress, 0 recovery. The trap. always on. Work, money, drama. No walk, no music, no rest. Brain damage. Chronic cortisol shrinks hippocampus and damages decision-making areas. Stress also blocks BDNF, the brain fertilizer for new neurons. You become reactive, not thoughtful. How to fix it? Micro recovery. 5-minute walk, 4-7-8 breathing, stare at sky. Stress plus recovery equals growth. Stress plus stress equals rot. 10. Consuming, never creating, the trap. 4 hours content in, 0 minutes output. Watch, read, scroll, repeat. Brain damage. Consumption is passive. Creation forces your brain to organize info. That's why teaching helps you learn 30% more. Consume only equals illusion of competence. You feel smart but can't explain it. How to fix it? Watched a video, write 3 lines. Read something? Explain it to a friend. Output equals organization. The real pattern. All 10 habits share one thing. Easy now, expensive later. Your brain evolved for scarcity. Scarce food, scarce info, scarce danger. Now we have infinite scroll, infinite sugar, infinite pings. Your brain overfits and gets lazy. Brain rot isn't forever. It's deconditioning, like muscles. Stop lifting as a result, they shrink. Start lifting as a result, they grow. Same with focus, memory, creativity. 3 rules to start today. 1. Add before subtract. Don't quit your phone. Add a 10-minute walk first. The brain accepts additions better than bans. 2. Protect 1 hour deep work. Same time, same place, no phone. That 1 hour beats 8 hours of scattered work. 3. Sleep greater than hustle. 7 to 8 hours sleep improves focus more than any app or supplement. Your brain isn't broken. It's adapting to what you feed it. Change the inputs, change the output. Comment 1 to 10 for the habit that hit you hardest. Tell me your worst brain fog moment and I'll give you one specific fix.